Welcome to FaFiFu Home. FaFiFu Home presents
Modern Gate Design Ideas 2026. Sleek, secure, and stylish entrances for your dream home. Welcome to Best House Design Ideas, where modern innovation meets stunning home aesthetic. In this video, we unveil Modern Gate Design Ideas 2026, showcasing the latest trends, sleek materials, and futuristic features that transform every entrance into a bold, architectural statement. Get ready to discover the perfect blend of style, security, and modern luxury for your dream home. This video aims to provide inspiration and creative ideas for your gate design. There's no need to replicate every detail. Feel free to adapt only the elements that work best for your unique gate. One, Modern Front Gate Ideas 2026. Modern Front Gate Ideas 2026 highlight the elegance of sleek architectural lines paired with advanced materials that elevate any home's entrance. These designs emphasize both style and enhanced security, creating a harmonious blend of sophistication and function for contemporary living. Two, Minimalist Gate Design Trends. Minimalist gate design trends focus on simplicity, clean shapes, and uncluttered forms that bring serene elegance to the home's exterior. These gates prioritize function and understated beauty, offering homeowners a sense of peaceful refinement through intentional design. Three, Luxury Metal Gate Designs. Luxury metal gate designs feature premium metals, polished finishes, and stunning geometric patterns that express strength and exclusivity. These gates elevate grand entrances with timeless luxury, making them perfect for high-end residential architecture seeking a bold identity. Four, Modern Sliding Gate Concept. Modern sliding gate concepts offer smooth automation, space-saving functionality, and refined contemporary detailing. These gates enhance modern homes by combining convenience with streamlined aesthetics, making them an ideal solution for narrow or stylishly compact spaces. Five, Futuristic Gate Styles 2026. Futuristic Gate Styles 2026 embrace cutting-edge materials, automated systems, and visionary design elements that redefine the boundaries of modern architecture. These gates reflect the next era of home innovation, infusing entrances with forward-thinking beauty. Six, Elegant Wooden Gate Ideas. Elegant wooden gate ideas highlight the natural warmth and charm of timber, crafted into refined, contemporary shapes. These gates blend traditional craftsmanship with modern aesthetics, creating welcoming entrances that radiate organic sophistication. 7. Smart home gate systems. Smart home gate systems introduce security and convenience with intelligent controls, sensor technology, and seamless automation. These systems integrate effortlessly with modern households, offering homeowners enhanced safety and futuristic practicality in everyday living. Eight. Contemporary villa gate designs. Contemporary villa gate designs combine architectural grandeur with stylish materials that reflect luxury living. These gates define the home's personality by uniting modern aesthetics with timeless elegance, resulting in sophisticated entrances that impress instantly. Nine. Tropical modern gate inspirations. Tropical modern gate inspirations merge lush greenery with warm materials, creating breezy, inviting entrances. These designs reflect natural beauty and modern lines, making them an ideal choice for homes located in warm, vibrant environments. Ten. Privacy modern gate panels. Privacy modern gate panels provide enhanced security and seclusion using opaque materials, bold patterns, and cohesive architectural forms. These gates offer both privacy and elegance, ensuring homeowners enjoy comfort without compromising design appeal. (11) Geometric gate design patterns. Geometric gate design patterns create striking visual interest with bold shapes and symmetrical artistry. These gates elevate the home's exterior by transforming simple entrances into expressive architectural statements filled with rhythm and refinement. (12) Modern stainless steel gates. Modern stainless steel gates showcase durability and contemporary beauty, featuring polished textures and precise craftsmanship. Their sleek reflective quality enhances modern homes with an aura of strength, longevity, and standout visual appeal. (13) Bold black modern gate styles. Bold black modern gate styles offer dramatic aesthetics with deep tones, sharp silhouettes, and strong visual contrast. These gates add sophistication and authority to any entrance, establishing a powerful statement of modern elegance. (14) Decorative modern garden gates. Decorative modern garden gates blend artistry and architecture, featuring intricate detailing inspired by nature and contemporary design. These gates elevate garden entrances by adding charm, uniqueness, and beauty to outdoor environments. 15. Automated modern driveway gate. Automated modern driveway gates deliver luxury and convenience by integrating high-tech motors and modern engineering. Designed for effortless daily use, these gates bring efficiency and refined beauty together to enhance driveway entrances. (16) Modern security gate solutions. Modern security gate solutions combine reinforced materials and intelligent mechanisms for maximum protection. These gates ensure safety while maintaining modern aesthetics, making them essential for homeowners who prioritize security and style. (17) Minimalist concrete gate ideas. Minimalist concrete gate ideas feature clean monolithic forms crafted from solid materials that embody modern industrial beauty. These gates offer longevity, strength, and artistic simplicity, turning home entrances into architectural masterpieces. (18) Modern frosted glass gate panels. Modern frosted glass gate panels provide a soft, elegant touch with semi-translucent beauty that ensures privacy. These gates introduce refined luxury suitable for modern home exteriors. (19) Exterior modern entrance gate. Exterior modern entrance gates emphasize symmetry, balance, and sophisticated materials for a visually captivating entryway. These gates reflect contemporary architectural values and provide homeowners with a welcoming yet impressive introduction to the home. (20) Custom luxury gate craftsmanship. Custom luxury gate craftsmanship showcases exceptional artistry, personalized details, and premium materials tailored to homeowner preferences. These gates redefine exclusivity and transform entrances into unique, enduring representations of bespoke design excellence. As we conclude this journey through Modern Gate Design Ideas 2026, it becomes clear that a gate is far more than a simple boundary. It is the first impression of your home, a reflection of your personality, and a statement of your design vision. From minimalist elegance to bold architectural expressions, each gate style offers a unique opportunity to transform your entrance into something truly remarkable. As a house design enthusiast, I truly believe that every detail matters, especially the ones that welcome you home each day. A fully designed gate does not just enhance security, it creates a sense of pride, comfort, and identity. It is where functionality meets creativity, and where your dream home begins to tell its story. So whether you are inspired by modern technology, natural materials, or luxurious craftsmanship, take your time to choose a design that resonates with your lifestyle and vision. Because in the end, a beautiful home is not just seen, it is felt from the very first entrance. Thank you for watching Best House Design Ideas. If you enjoyed exploring modern gate design ideas 2026, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more breathtaking home inspirations. Stay tuned for upcoming videos filled with innovative designs, luxurious decor trends, and smart architectural ideas to elevate your living space.